My name is Sarah. I live with my family. We are a small and happy family. One day, we were very excited. We were going to travel by plane. It was our first international trip. My mother woke us up early. She said, "Wake up. Today is our travel day." Everyone was happy. We packed our bags, clothes, shoes, snacks, everything was ready. My father checked the tickets. He said, "Tickets are here." My mother said, "Passports are ready." I smiled. I thought everything was perfect. We reached the airport. It was very big and very busy. People were walking fast. Announcements were loud. My heart was beating fast. I was nervous but excited. At the check-in counter, the officer said, "Passports, please." My father gave his passport. My mother gave her passport. My brother gave his passport. Then everyone looked at me. I checked my bag. I checked again. My passport was not there. My hands started shaking. I said softly, I can't find my passport." My mother looked shocked. My father asked, "What do you mean?" I searched my pockets. I searched my backpack. Nothing. Tears came into my eyes. I said, "I think I forgot it at home." My brother said, "Oh no, people behind us were waiting." The officer said, "Please move aside." My mother took a deep breath. She said, "Don't panic." My father called a taxi quickly. He said, "I will go home and check." We waited. 10 minutes felt like 1 hour. I felt very guilty. I thought, this is my fault. We will miss the flight. After some time, my father came running. He was holding something in his hand. It was my passport. He smiled and said, "Found it." I started crying, but this time, happy tears. My mother hugged me. She said, "It's okay. Mistakes happen." We ran to the counter again. The officer smiled. He said, "You are lucky. You are just in time." We boarded the plane. I looked out of the window. I felt relieved and thankful. That day, I learned an important lesson. Always check your important things twice. And never panic. Life is full of small mistakes. But calm mind solves big problems. If you like this story, please like the video, thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel Heart. For more slow English stories.